proud of you as a queen of the Nile City, heart of the Philippines, Bacolod City. This is Cristalda Santiago, confidently, beautiful with heart, at nag-iiwan ng kataga. Hindi baling mahulog ka sa kana, wag lang sa taong hindi ka mahal. Proud consistently, friendship never ends, and I thank you! A pleasant good afternoon to everyone. I'm Miss Yasmin Shahab, representing Infinity Love Dubai and Infinity Migrant Worker. And I believe that kahit nang maganda, kahit nang mas maganda ang makapal ang lupa. Thank you!